Hey guys, this is Jordan with Quickship Electronics, and I'll be showing off the Apple Watch Series 3 GPS edition. First off, since this is an open box item, let's talk about the packaging. As you'll find with the items that we sell, the packaging is going to show some signs of distress, which could include some scratches or scuffs, some tears perhaps. Ultimately though, the product inside of the package is what counts, and that of course is in like new condition and is fully functional. So with every item you buy from Quickship, we actually include genuine OEM accessories made by the manufacturer. With the Apple Watch Series 3, you actually get a couple of accessories. You're going to get the 5-watt power adapter, and that's also going to include the USB cable, which has a special cradle, which you actually charge the device with. The display is made of an Ion X strengthened glass with a 2nd gen OLED Retina display. It is water resistant for up to 50 meters and includes a heart rate sensor. It also has 8 gigs of capacity stored right on the device. For features like phone calls, text messages, and notifications, this version requires Bluetooth connection. It also has up to 18-hour battery life depending on usage. While the overall look of the Apple Watch Series 3 is the same as previous versions, there are some new features that make it a solid choice in a smartwatch speed-wise. The Series 3 is actually 70% faster than the Series 2 with its dual-core S3 chip. This includes a barometric altimeter gathering data like flights climbed during a workout without needing the iPhone with you. It also tracks things such as altitude, elevation, and pressure. Siri is also enabled on this device, so it will work with any other Apple device. Well, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget, with all of our products, we include free shipping, a 1-year warranty, and also free 30-day returns. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more. Remember, if for some reason you buy this product and it just doesn't work out for you, simply open up a return request and say, hey, I want my money back, it just doesn't work out. We'll get you a prepaid shipping label within that time frame, have it come back, get you 100% of your money back. Thanks for watching and have a great day.